Do you snore, breathe through your mouth, grind at night? You might have sleep apnea. What can help, especially your child, as well as you as an adult, is expanding your upper jaw. That's going to give you a prettier smile. It's going to reduce the chances of you having sleep apnea. Why? Because it creates more tongue space for you. In addition to that, it will help with your breathing. And the reason for that is your palate and your nasal floor share a common space. And when you expand the palate, you increase your nasal cage.